everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to your Alterna online banking account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up a web browser of your choice to get started. In the URL box popping up at the top, type in alternabank.ca and press enter. This will now take you to the official webpage of Alterna Bank. Alterna Bank is a Canadian direct bank and a wholly owned subsidiary of the Ontario-based credit union Alterna Savings. To log in and access your online banking account, first go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner, which will take you to the login area. If you're not a client yet for Alterna, you can click the Join Alterna button and follow the instructions. If you don't have the account access yet for your bank, then you can click on this Register to log in and register yourself first. And after you are done with the registration, you can log in and access your account anytime you want. From this page, click on the login button to enter your credentials on the next page. You'll need to enter your login ID in the first text box you see. Make sure to type it in correct and then click the continue button. In the password text box that appears right beneath, go ahead and type in your correct password. If you are having trouble remembering your password, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Password right above the login button. After you are done typing in the correct credential, click the login button and that should take you directly to the main home page of your Alterna online banking account. You can now easily manage your account online, check your balance, view your statements, and so much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.